Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to briefly talk about what a gravatar is for WordPress versus a profile picture for Facebook. Well, Gravatar is something that you can get for free. Just go to gravatar.com, and I have a video on my blog that teaches you about it. And I won't go through how to set up a Gravatar because you can look for this on my blog. But I just want to explain here. When you have set up a Gravatar account and it's free, then when you post comments, your face will show up versus a mystery man. So as we can see down here, if I scroll down, we can see comments of he has a gravatar, I have a gravatar. And what that does is when you comment on a WordPress blog or any WordPress website, your photo will show up if you've opened up a Gravatar account. You just do it once, you upload your photo, and then anywhere on WordPress it will show up. And if I scroll down here, you can see all the different people who have their Gravatars set up. But you'll see, let me scroll back up, in my screenshot, here's an example of someone who does not have a Gravatar. So that is a similar concept, but different from Facebook. So I was trying to find one of my students, Heather Atkinson, and I didn't know which one she was. We've since connected and are now connected on Facebook. But I was saying there's all these different Heathers, and I don't know who you are. It's amazing when you go to Facebook and you type your name in, how many people have the same name. So this mystery man on Facebook is a similar concept to on WordPress, but in order to get your photo to show up, you have to log into Facebook and go to your profile area and upload a photo. So same concept, two different websites, two different systems. So I hope this clears up the mystery man on Facebook versus the mystery man when you comment on WordPress. It is my recommendation that everybody on Facebook should have a profile picture and not just a sunset or a picture of your dog. You know, you want to have a picture of you so that people can find and recognize you. So that's it. That's the difference between a Facebook mystery man and a Gravatar mystery man, or person, I should say. And if you come to the website creation workshop, go to the blog and you type in Gravatar, you'll be able to easily find this blog post. And here it is. And then there's some other articles that are similar. And the cool thing about WordPress is once you set up this Gravatar, it uses it in lots of different places like an author box, but I don't want to get too far off topic. So that is it. That's the difference between a Gravatar and a Facebook profile picture. This is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop.